Here we have a Hardinge DSM-59 with a Bradmatic attachment. This Bradmatic attachment is the only thing that doesn't work correctly, but everything else is working. As far as the Bradmatic, we can get a couple things working on it right here. That's about the only thing. It's supposed to move out and in, but we couldn't get it to do that. But we can get it to move this way. Okay, so that's that one. The lathe part works great, so we'll go ahead and run it here. So this will be forward and low speed, and then forward and high speed. Okay, you can also go faster by pressing this button here. Okay, and then we go the other direction. That's low speed and high speed, and the same thing. You could adjust your speed up here to go faster. Okay, it's got the cross slide here, and it also has the coolant pump, which we'll turn on. Okay, and that is a Hardinge DSM-59 precision lathe.